Hi, I'm Emily. This video will help you understand our Classe365 Teacher Portal and Learning Management System. To log into the faculty portal, you will first go to cpsom.classe365.com. Then you will log in as a teacher. At your initial login, your username is your first initial and your last name. Your password will be facilitator1! Please feel free to change it when you first log in by hovering over your name in the top corner and selecting Change Password. When you log in, you will immediately be on the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be able to navigate to anywhere on the site that you need to go to. Feel free to explore the site. You can navigate the front page or by selecting modules on the top bar. If you scroll down on the front page, you will see a chart tracking what attendance has looked like for your class. Even further, you can see a directory of all students in your class and every facilitator who is teaching a class. You will be able to monitor your students' birth dates and any online notices that have gone out. You'll also be able to view how many courses you are responsible for and view various stats about course activity. If you click on Courses, you will be taken to this page. You can then select your course by selecting Program, which will bring up a list of every class you are responsible for. This will take you to the Learning Management System, where you will be able to manage your class. The primary function on the portal that you will want to be familiar with is the Learning Management System, or LMS. This is where the majority of classwork will be turned in, grades and attendance will be managed, and any resources will be uploaded. You can post messages to your entire class here. This is helpful for any time you want to distribute information to your entire class. The Flip Class section is where all course information will be uploaded. You can utilize this section as much or as little as you would like. We will be uploading videos from each week here for students who wish to rewatch the class. In addition, any resources that you mention or use in class, for example, printouts, pictures, assigned reading, or any PowerPoint presentations, will be uploaded here as well. You can upload resources here by clicking on Add New Lectures, creating a title and explanation, and then saving. Then select Manage Content and select the right content style. You can then upload the content, save it, and switch the lecture to live, so it'll be viewable by students. Under Students, you will be able to see a roster of every student in your class. This will display their grades and attendance so you can quickly monitor how they're doing. In summary, we went over how to log in and navigate the teacher portal and the learning management system. In the next video, we will go into more detail on how to create assignments, grade them, and track attendance within the LMS. Thank you for watching, and reach out if you have any questions.